Lori Vallow-Daybell is in police custody in Kauai, making her first court appearance today on several felony charges connected with the disappearance of her two children. She is fighting extradition to Idaho and claiming she does not have a passport. Her lawyer asked that her bail be reduced from $5 million to just $10,000.
There's no life in prison or death penalty in this case, so she has a right to bail. And again, that should be set by this court under this court's bail standards.
But the judge denied that request and kept bail set at $5 million.
Fox 13's Adam Herbets joins us now with a detailed look at the events leading up to Lori Vallow-Daybell's arrest. Adam.
Yeah, Bob Kelly, we just saw Chad sitting in the gallery watching his wife's proceedings today. But based on court documents released today, he very well could be soon facing some of the same charges because of the statements he has made to police and to his own family. Police say the reason he and Lori have been able to live such an expensive lifestyle in Hawaii is because of his deceased wife's life insurance policy. Chad received almost $500,000 from Tammy Daybell's suspicious death last October. She was 49 years old. She was happy, she was healthy, and Chad says she died in her sleep. So far, the Sheriff's Department says they have more work to do on Tammy Daybell's autopsy, which was supposed to be completed about a month ago. Lori also expected to receive a life insurance policy payout from her dead husband, Charles, after he was shot and killed by her brother last summer, Alex Cox. She was surprised to find out Charles changed the beneficiary of that life insurance policy to his sister because he says he feared for his life. And in a third case tied to Chad and Lori, remember the attempted murder of Brandon Boudreaux in Gilbert, Arizona. He blames his ex-wife, Lori Vallow's niece, Melanie, for the attempt on his life when someone shot at him on his drive home from work to home. He also had a life insurance policy. He says all he could think of at the time was someone was shooting at him. He now believes that his wife is fully responsible for that as he fights for the custody of their children. Now, moving forward, the big question is what was going on? What were Chad and Lori doing and saying to the children, at the very least in the days leading up to their disappearance? Our team coverage continues with Lauren Steinbrecher, who has also been digging into the charging documents and has new information about Tylee and when she was last seen. Lauren?
Yeah, Adam. So before police arrested Lori Vallow yesterday, we really did not know exactly when Tylee disappeared. And according to documents, she was last heard from weeks before JJ went missing. Now, according to the probable cause statement, Lori, her brother Alex Cox, and Tylee went on a day trip to Yellowstone National Park on September 8th, soon after they moved to Rexburg, Idaho. Police got a picture from the National Park Service showing Tylee at the entrance, and through a search warrant, they found a photo from Lori's iCloud showing Tylee in Yellowstone. Now, police say this is the last record they could find of Tylee. They say they found no one who has seen her since.
Now, Lauren, police carried out a search warrant on Lori. Did they find anything?
Right, so that search warrant in Kauai, we now know from those documents today that they found some of JJ and Tylee's belongings, including Tylee's bank card, which they said had been active and had been used, but no indication Tylee had ever been in Hawaii. They also found the birth certificates for JJ and Tylee on Lori and Chad as well. Wow. Yeah, and then coming up at 5:30, we're actually going to dive a little bit deeper into what they found for JJ, including explaining what Lori told JJ's babysitter the day after he disappeared.
Lauren, so many questions, and now these little threads of information are being weaved together.
Right.
Wow, unbelievable. Lauren, thank you so much.